Hi everyone, it's Alissa Todd, your financial advisor, bringing you weekly money tips. And today I want to talk to you about credit cards. When used responsibly, credit cards can be a tool to help you build your credit, earn rewards, and cash back. The best card for you is with the features that best meet your goals and lifestyle. Go to a comparison website such as bankrate.com and search for the card with the features that you want to have. You can search with filters such as travel rewards, cashback, 0% interest, business, for example. Once you've selected your card, make purchases only to the extent that you can pay off the balance in full so that you're using your credit card to optimize its benefits rather than creating debt. Try to spend less than 30% of your available limit. Beware of any annual fees or other costs associated with your cards so that you can be mindful for any fees that you're going to have to incur. And don't just spend your credit card to receive the benefits. Make sure that the purchases you're making are in line with your budget. Lastly, enjoy your rewards. Use your points or rewards to book your next vacation and enjoy the benefits of using a credit card responsibly. So those are my credit card tips. What were some of the features that you looked for in your credit card? I know for me, travel is a really big thing. So my card is designed specifically to help me with redeeming travel rewards. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to do so you can continue receiving weekly money tips. And if you have any questions about your personal financial situation, I would love to get connected with you. So don't hesitate to reach out. You can send me a message, schedule time for us to talk or meet using the link in my description box below.